Okie dokie, the weather forecast is looking bloody awesome. So, like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to be going up the hill. I've not been up for a little while. I've had flu, cold, whatever, hacking up phlegm and all the nasty stuff. But it's now been nearly 2 weeks since I've had a decent overnight. The weather forecast, well, there's the rain is red, apparently. Bad enough when it's green or yellow, but apparently it's going to be red. So, that's going to be my night. And it's actually going to be Halloween. So, yeah. Should be a laugh. I was going to take my polyplastic, because it is half the weight of the canvas, the tarp that I bought. But, looking at the weather, I'm taking the tarp.